To make this table look a little bit more rustic, we're going to add a decorative wood glaze to the table base. I'll start by scuffing up some of the edges and surfaces using some sandpaper, just making sure that these scuffs are not too uniform in certain areas. This will allow the wood glaze to soak into these areas a little darker and highlight some of the curves and features of the table legs. To apply the glaze, I can brush it on using a regular brush, making sure to apply it to all of the areas evenly. The idea is to apply a thick coat of glaze, then buff it off using a clean rag, exposing the white paint underneath. The longer this glaze sits on the surface, the harder it is to buff off, so you may need to work in sections depending on how big your table is. I can repeat this process for the rest of the table base, making sure to keep the finish even as best as I can. One reason we chose pine for the table base is because the knots will naturally expose through the paint. Since this is a rustic table base, that is the expected outcome. However, if you're looking for a clean paint job on your table base kit, pine is probably not the best wood species to choose. You can view the link above and check out all of the wood species available at Osborne and figure out which one is best for your project.